Hi, my name is Sage and I'm trying to make a farm. Today is December 1st, 2019 and it's raining outside. I was gonna clean the soil outside, take out the weeds and rocks, but since it's raining, we can't do that until the soil is dry. It's just gonna make my shoes muddy and probably dirty the house. All right. So right here are the crops that we're gonna plant once we ready the soil outside. Let me show you the soil outside. All right, so that's where we're gonna be planting so that's where we're gonna plant our seeds. And yeah, so I was told that we can't just plant crops in regular soil. I was told that we need to get 3 types of soil. I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's similar to what we got. Over here, this is the starter soil. It's Miracle Grow seed starting potting mix. So this is the starter, but I was told that the main soil has to be mixed with 3 different kinds of soil. I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's similar to this thing over here. All right, so for this part over here, I already readied the thing. We got the seeds already inside here. It's cabbage, lettuce, and onion. I mean cauliflower. This is onion, this is cauliflower, and this is lettuce. So 24 spring onions, and then 24 cauliflowers, and then 24 lettuce. So I was thinking when the soil is ready outside, we're gonna have 3 rows of 24, or somewhere around there. So it's gonna be, yeah. So what we're gonna do here, since what I did here, I just this is a 72 container, 72 seed container for seedlings, and all I did is put the mix in, and I press my finger probably like half the height of the container, enough for it so when I water it, the seed is not gonna go to the side and then grow to the side. So I made sure the seed is like in the center of each pocket. So all right, so here we go. So I'm just gonna cover everything up. Um, this is a two-layer container. There's another layer underneath it. So when we water this, the water is not gonna go through the container and then it's into the floor. There's another layer over here. So basically, it's a container on top of another container. All right, so it's all ready. Just gonna put a little more soil on some of it. All right, so it's December 1st, and most of the crops in store can't be grown unless you have a greenhouse. But this one, one of the employees over there, she must have experience on growing crops, and she told me these ones that we have over here will grow in winter. So plus I'm in a slightly warm area in winter, so I think we'll be fine. I think it's still gonna grow. All right, so it's time to water the seedlings. just a little bit. I need like a spray to do this instead of pouring it in. But this is what we got for now. I don't have anything that's that will like. We'll just try to be really careful over here. If anything, I wanna like spray it, just like damp it with water. Alright, grabbing more water. So this soil that we got is like a sponge. Alright, so since the seeds are somewhere like in the middle of the container, so as we pour the water, I don't really the seed is gonna stay center, so it's gonna grow in the center of each pocket. We want to do that because I did this before and I didn't plant the seeds. I planted the seeds like somewhere in the top layer of the soil. So what happened is, so when I water it, the soil moved and then the seed went to the sides of each pocket. So it kind of like grew on the sides on each pocket, and I don't know. I don't really think it makes a difference, but it's just more neat if every seed grows in the middle of each pocket. All right, so I'm just gonna snug every pocket here a little bit more. I don't think we should like press too hard on each pocket, because we're not trying to cement the seeds. So that way, since the soil is a little bit more loose, it's easier for them to grow. But yeah, just like trying to make this a little bit more neat. All right. So we're gonna put the seedling in the middle of the living room. Alright, so we put the lid on because I was told that we need to put a lid on these things over here. That way it warms it even more, so it's easier for it to grow. Alright, so my name is Sage, and this is day 2 of farming.